What's going on, Amazon? I'm reviewing something that my wife is so excited about. She's like, please make this dang video. This is the Caraway. Now, we got the 12-piece set. So I'm going to move this over to where you guys can see. This is all that came with it while I'm unboxing this. But y'all, these things are incredible. So obviously the big benefits of this specific product are, number one, you've got the non-stick ability, but what's really awesome is this is way better for you. It's more holistic. It doesn't have like the GMOs. It's got all the, you kind of get rid of all the stuff that's just not healthy as far as all the pots and pans go. But hang on, y'all, I'm having a hard time getting this off. I'm trying to. Here we go. There it is. But y'all, what I'm so excited is we got this beautiful, beautiful color, and so I wanted to show this off to you guys and show you exactly what it looks like. And also, as you guys can see too on here, you've got this like, what is it? Like a holder as well. So that's really fun. So if you guys are worried about like space, because y'all, these things are definitely bulky, I definitely think you guys will be okay. But all right, so this is massive, y'all. This is absolutely massive. So we're just gonna take this one piece at a time, do some unboxing. So this is gonna be your organizer. So let's show you guys this. You've got like all these little bad boys. Y'all, this is absolutely like, this is a big, big, big box. It was so heavy when I had to haul this, which is totally fine. I'm so excited about it. But as you guys can see, they've got different containers for each pan, right? I don't know if you saw that on the container, but each one of these correlates with a certain pan set within this 12-piece, right? So again, they're all about trying to organize. And y'all, look at the branding on this. You've got the name Caraway on either side. You guys can see that there, so that's really awesome. And let's see if I got all of these or not. And I just love like how it looks. So here, I don't know if you want to be able to pick up the camera really quick so you can see this on the inside. This is really cool. So as you guys can see, it says meet your pan set. You've got the saucepan. You've got the Dutch oven. Oh, that's what's also really nice about these. These are oven friendly, right? So you can throw these in the oven. You're not gonna have to worry about it. And then you guys just pull these out and look at that, bro. Look at the beautiful color on this, y'all. This looks absolutely insane. You guys can see on the inside, you've got more of that kind of just, I would say overall gray. And then also on these sides, you've got the little holders that are silver. Y'all, this looks absolutely, absolutely beautiful. And then what's nice is right underneath this here, why don't you lift the camera up really quick while I place this down. On the inside of it, you've got even more, right? So once I take these out, this is where your next set of pans live. So I'm gonna put this first one down here. We'll take out this saucepan, just like that. Boom shakalaka. So as you can see, same thing with the saucepan underneath it, and then on the inside. And y'all, look at the colors. This is absolutely beautiful. You got a nice little grip, a rivet on there. Y'all, this is gonna be a long video because there are just so many pans. So now, once I'm done with this, I just lift this side up, and then look at this. You've got the right temperature, medium or low heat is all your pans need to treat your food, food right. So I love the presentation of this, y'all. This is absolutely so beautiful. They make it so fun, the unboxing process, which is exactly why I wanted to unbox it for you guys. So as you guys can see here, you've got your frying pan right here on this side. And then you've also got your saute pan over on this side. And dude, this is just incredible. I know that my wife is excited, but now that I'm seeing these, I'm starting to get excited. And y'all, look, I don't know if you guys can see this, but on this side here, you can see the actual name, Caraway branded. Y'all, this thing is absolutely, it just like screams elegant, at least to me, which like I'm all about, because these things are like, you're definitely committing, right? When you're getting these, and these look and feel like sturdy, tough, and all that. So we're gonna keep pushing these, making room to where we can keep going. Y'all, this is like, make some room in your house for this stuff because they are coming through for sure. And that's the end of this box. Okay, great. It's like, whew, starting to, it's a lot, y'all, it's a lot. So we're gonna put these holders back because we've got these over here that I still need to undo as well. So Y'all, I love that it's so nice and tight. Like everything has a box. Everything is super organized. Okay, so this is really cool. Let's see if I can figure out how to show you guys this without it all falling. So this was what was originally on the top, right? So when I open this though, as you guys can see, so this is where you get the holders, like the organizer. Y'all, look at how practical this stuff is. This is absolutely incredible. You are definitely going to be so happy after getting this thing delivered to you. So again, you've got all of these individually set up, right? To where you could just kind of come in, pull these individually out. This is for, you know, a certain pan on there, and you can kind of go from there. Now, I kind of have to be a little bit careful because I don't want anything to fall over, but I wanted to show you guys at least one of these just so you guys can see. Look at how beautiful that color is, y'all. This color is absolutely beautiful, so wonderful. Let's see if I picked the right one. Oh, I did. I picked the right one. So it's a nice fit. I love this stainless steel look. And look at this. Look at the end result, y'all. This thing looks, I mean, this is absolutely incredible. So I hope this video is really helpful. I really wanted to do a deep dive, show you guys exactly what this set looks like. Like I said, y'all, the ability to have this organizer in here, I don't know about y'all, but I have such a hard time keeping everything together because it's so annoying to store it like this, right? Just having it out on the open versus having something like this where you've got your little hooks, you can do whatever you want with it. It gives you more customization. It really, really overall helps. So anyways, hope this video is helpful for you guys. Definitely add this to your cart. They've got so many different color options as well that are really elegant, really beautiful. Yeah, definitely recommend adding it to your cart. Super excited to get these things going in our household. See you guys on the next one.